Hi everybody, welcome to Techidream Academy. In this video, we are going to be talking about React transition. Yeah, so we still have more examples that we can explore that would delay our loading so you can see that result very well. Let's proceed. So we already have a search bar function already. So we'll go with query. Inside here, we'll put query. Then after that, we're going to say const items equals to, would have an array, then empty array. Then after that, we'll say if this query, then we're going to use a for loop. And this for loop says that let our I equals to 0. So if I is greater than 1,000, that is what we are going to do here. If I is less than 1,000, let I multiply it by 1. Then after that, we're going to remove this one and say items dot push. Then inside this push, we'll say li, want li there, li. Then inside this li, we'll say key equals to high. Then that's what we want our result to be. Then we'll say results for the query that I want to do. So inside there, we'll say query. Then after that, we're going to return, in this place, we're going to return our items, return UL. Inside this UL, we are returning items. And after that, we are going to come to our app.jsx. Then we are going to say, in this place, we'll say const would have an array input, then set input to equals to use state. Then as well, we'll do for query, const query equals to set query and set query equals to use state as well. Then we're also going to do for transition, which is const is pending. Then we'll say start transition equals to use transition. Then after that, we're going to create our undo change, const undo change equals to E equals to be an arrow function. Then inside it, we're going to say set input. This one we missed an N. Set input, which will be e.target.value. And we are also going to do for transition, set transition, start transition, not set. Start transition, which will be e.target.value as well. Now we'll come to our return, which will be, in this place, we're going to create a div. So in our return, we're going to say div, then inside this div, we would have input, and the input, inside the input, it will be type text. Then we would have our value, which will be input. Then as well, we'll have our on change, which will be undo change. And we would have our placeholder, which will be tied to search. So inside after that, inside this div, we would have is pending. If it's pending and p tag, we have to have our p tag here. P tag, let's say loading. Let's just say loading results. Then outside it, we'll say let our search bar. Then inside it, we'll say query equals to query. Good. Then in this place, we'll also say query equals to query. Now let's check our results. As you can see here, we already have our search bar. If we search for anything and I say, okay, give me the result for 2, you can see lots of queries, which is from 1 to 1,000. But did you see the loading? 2, you saw the loading results. If you check around there, if I say 7, see results, see the loading results. So that is what I wanted to check about the use transition, which is it is used for when you have a slow operation, a non-critical update, or you have a delayed search with the results. Thank you for watching this video. Do well to follow us across all socials at Tech Is Rain Academy. See you next time. Bye.